This is the 3DS that I just ordered. It has a faulty cartridge slot, which has got a bad pin. So what I've done, I've desoldered the actual cartridge slot, snipped off the edges, as you can see up here and here. But unfortunately we have this problem here, which seems to have the solder pad has just literally come off. I don't think it'll be a problem because it's got no I don't know, mind. I don't think it'll be a problem there, only because the connections are along these pin edges. So if I manage to get that cartridge slot, a new one ordered, put it on, this device should be okay. So I have to come back with the soldering process a bit later when it arrives in the post, and hopefully we'll get this 3D XL back up and running again. Yeah, the broken cartridge slot. Try and focus in on this a little bit further. I can show you. As you can see on this pin down here, that was the copper pad underneath that pin had been removed. Sorry about the focus. I am using a phone. I'll clean that little bit of solder up there as well. But that paint is a special. It's electric conductive paint. So I know that the copper pad had been removed, and it's a little bit too tricky for me to solder a new copper pad or epoxy a new copper pad. So I thought this electrical glue paste or whatever you want to call it would be more suitable. I'll give it a go. I thought there's nothing else to lose on this, so try it out. I did post on the forums and they said that that pin looks like it was like a ground pin, so I'm not sure with that because I can't see. I mean, I can see a small little wire next to it, but I don't know if that is related. Sorry about the zoom thing, it's kind of annoying, but I have to live with it. So let's have a look here. Yeah, this part as well, you got the second foot. Now that second foot, the first one soldered fine, the second one, the same thing happened with the pad there, that got removed as well. So I've used that glue, well, this paste, to see if that will work. And this, which looks like a ground pad, I've also put that paste on there as well, just to see if it will work. So it's all good. It's all back on board. I'll clean that bit up down here now with some electrical cleaner, and we'll get this back together and see if it will accept the games. See you in a minute. Okay, so the 3DS is back on, booted up okay. As you can see, everything seems to be alright in the home menu. So I've put the cartridge in the back of the 3DS just to see if it will come back on. So if I just press this, oh, something worked. As you can see, it's come back. It's alive, finally. So, right, what a headache. Yeah, so it's done. So what I'll do now, I'll monitor this very closely and see if it will take, well, the glue that I've used, just to see if it works correctly, because these things are kind of temperamental, I imagine, you know, with it being paint. It's not solder, it's not the most convenient of fixes, but we'll see. We'll just have to work with what I've got, really. I mean, just try it out. So yeah, good news. Great. See you next time.